Hi guys, it's Jodi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi planner, my Hobonichi weeks. This is the current week, so this is what it looks like. I'm Sunday right now, so just about finished this spread. The kit is from the Prairie Planner and I think it's adorable. So we're going to be planning the week of October the 7th to the 13th. And I'm using a kit this week from So Cute Planner. It's a Halloween kit and I think it's just adorable. Along with using this kit, I'm going to be doing a collab with Cricket from Planner Nina Cricket, and I'll link her channel below. We're both using the same kit, and Cricket is a PR girl for the shop, and so I'll make sure that she mentions her code on her channel, because for the life of me it slips my mind. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to lay the bottom washi. That's usually where I start. Forgive my shakiness. I've had far too much coffee today. I've been watching YouTube videos and drinking coffee. It's a gloomy day here. We had some rain, which it was much needed. We had a bit of a dry spell going through where I live, and so it's nice to see some rain finally. We've had it's kind of been rainy this week, a little bit cooler, which is also nice because we were having a heat wave along with the dry spell. And got a little crease in my page, so I'm going to lift that up a little bit. Hopefully I don't rip the paper. There, that's better. All right, so we got that down. And let's put the top washi down. This cute spider web with a bat. It's so adorable. I probably had you off screen there. So I planned in my Erin Condren this morning, the gorgeous kit, fall kit from the Prairie Planner, and I lost all of my footage. So that was an epic fail, YouTuber fail. So I won't be able to post that. I had plans on having 2 videos up. So just the one for now. Hopefully I'll be able to get one up, a second one at the end of the week. This kit is reformatted. So Cute Planner used to have this all in, or separate strips, so it's all in one, which is so much nicer. And I do have some kits from the old format still. I use her kits quite often in the Hobonichi. I really like them. They have pretty much everything you need for a full spread. I like to bring foil into my spreads, so every week I use Simply Gilded Washi. And again, I can't lay this straight. There, I got it. So normally I track my meals and my weather on this side. I'm going to put this down for my meals. And again, this is nice because it's one long strip. And I can never get the separate boxes straight. I can't lay anything straight. So there's some really cute full boxes. And I'm going to put them... I can get them off. They're cut properly, it's just me. I'm going to put them on the right side of the page. I'll put them on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And spread them out a little bit. They're so pretty. I love the colors in this kit. Can't wait to see what Nina does with hers, or Cricket. I don't know why I keep calling her Nina. Nina's the name that her granddaughter calls her. And clearly I can't get that straight. So Thursdays I do my groceries, so I'll go ahead and put one of these empty boxes on Thursday. And Friday, the Made in Canada planner sale is on. So I'm going to go ahead, I should take a different colored box because it's the same color as the full box. So I'm going to put one of these down and I'll mark it. have the cute little bows. I'm going to put a bow on it. Nice way to mark a sale. Should probably put a dollar sign because I'm going to spend far too much. Tuesdays is $2 Tuesday. And I'm a PR girl, so I like to mark this in my planner. And along with $2 Tuesday, she's got these icons, and I'll put the dollar sign down. And I find the trackers are too wide for me when I'm tracking my weather. So I'm going to use my Simply Gilded washi, and I have gray and tan, and I have it with the gold. So I'll go ahead and put, I think I'm going to put the tan one in because I've got a lot of gray here. Try and lay this straight because I'm hopeless at it. Hey, I think I got it this time. I usually have to pull it up like 10 times to try and get it straight. So do you have a big Halloween thing in your town? Do they do a haunted house or anything like that? We have one that we run at the local fairgrounds, and all the proceeds go to the fair, which is really nice. And it's all volunteers that, sorry, I'm putting checklists down on each of the days. I think they're so pretty. I believe these used to be like a flag cut on them before. So it's nice that they're straight this time. I really like these kits, and she does $2 Tuesday sales. So you can get a kit for $2, and you just can't beat that. I'm used to a theme sticker, but I've used all of these, so I'm not going to have anything there this week. So those are cute. I think that's all I'm going to use from, oh, we'll put first coffee because, you know, Monday you have to have coffee. And along with that, I'm going to use this coffee mug from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. It's foiled. You can find these in her shop. I'm a PR girl for her. And my code is JODI25, and that'll save you 25% off, and you'll get my freebie. It's really cute. And Sundays I do laundry, so I'm going to put my gold foil laundry machine. Once again from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. And these are meal icons, and again, gold foil from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. Now, she doesn't offer these anymore in the shop, but I love them, so I will use them. And Friday is trash day, so I'm going to use this super cute sheet from CreationsByJaro. I also PR for her company. It's JODI25 for 25% off, and you'll get my freebie as well. I'm going to use the black one. These are on clear foil this week, or this time, but she does sell them on regular paper. And Saturday, I'm going to film and upload. I'm going to put that over here. Hopefully I don't lose my footage like I did last time. So I really want to start bringing Erin Condren videos to my channel. And normally I would track vitamins and prescriptions in here, but I don't have habit trackers because, like I said, these are kind of, unless I lay them, I could lay them vertical. Maybe something different for my planner. I know Cricket lays stickers vertical in hers. She uses hers for a wellness planner. This is my everyday carry, so I take it with me when I go shopping or whatnot. And boy, oh boy, I've been on a no spend and I just blew it this past week. I've been really spendy on stickers and clothes and stuff, plants for the yard, some mums. So I've been, have to calm down this week. I really should track my spending in here. I'm going to use the blue one today. And this is a sheet of functionals from the Prairie Planner. I'm a code PR girl for her shop as well. My code is JODI20. That'll get you 20% off, and you put Jodi in notes for my freebie. And this one was a custom script from Lil'Annabelle'sPlans. So you can get those in any words that you want. So I'm just going to make my lines. To separate my days for my weather. Wow, that was crooked. Even with the ruler, I can't draw anything straight. I ordered my 2020 Hobonichi. I'm so excited. Hopefully it comes in soon. I got a mega this time because they were on sale. So hopefully it fits in this nice little case. I had a friend make this for me, and I just absolutely love it. It's so pretty. Oh, I got Amy Tan's signature at the conference I was at last week. I was at the Planners Gonna Plan conference. You'll see my video on this channel, my haul video. So she spoke, and she was so inspirational. So that's it. That's my plan for this week, my spread. I think it turned out really pretty. I can't wait to fill it in. This is different for me, but I think I like it. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back week after week. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. I'm glad to have you come on and be part of my YouTube community. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out my YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video uploads. So have a great day. Bye now.